Hey there! If you're looking to give your kitchen a sustainable makeover, you're in the right place. I'm here to share 7 amazing zero-waste cooking tips that are not only easy to adopt, but also incredibly impactful. Let's dive right in and transform our kitchens together. First up, let's talk about your shopping habits. Instead of buying in bulk, consider purchasing exactly what you need. This means saying goodbye to those extra items that often end up in the trash and hello to a more mindful way of shopping. It's all about reducing food waste, one meal at a time. Next, embrace the beauty of whole vegetable cooking. Yes, that means using every part of the vegetable, from leaf to stem. You'd be surprised how many delicious dishes you can whip up with parts you usually throw away. Think broccoli stem stir-fry or carrot top pesto. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about composting. If you're not already composting your kitchen scraps, now is the perfect time to start. It's a fantastic way to recycle nutrients back into the earth, and it's super easy to set up a compost bin in your backyard or even under your sink. Moving on, consider investing in sustainable kitchen tools. Opt for items made from bamboo, stainless steel, or other sustainable materials. These tools not only last longer, but also help reduce the demand for plastic products. Another great tip is to use reusable containers and beeswax wraps instead of cling film or aluminum foil. These alternatives are not only better for the environment, but they also keep your food fresh longer. Plus, they add a charming touch to your kitchen. How about making your own cleaning agents? It's easier than you think. You can create effective and natural cleaners from ingredients like vinegar, lemon, and baking soda. This not only cuts down on chemical waste, but also keeps your kitchen smelling fresh and clean. Finally, get creative with leftovers. Instead of tossing them out, transform them into new and exciting dishes. This not only saves food, but also sparks your culinary creativity. Who knows? Your next leftover makeover could be a new family favorite. There you have it, 7 practical tips to make your kitchen eco-friendlier. Not only are these practices good for the planet, but they also make cooking a lot more fun. So why not start today? Your sustainable kitchen journey is just a recipe away. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking.